Guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to film a video on my hair. If you're accustomed to my channel before, you know that I have, had natural hair, but I decided to relax my hair a few weeks ago. I'm actually going to be moisturizing and sealing my hair, so I decided to film a video to kill two birds with one stone, to show you how I moisturize and seal, as well as tell you guys why I relaxed my hair and talk about just the debate between relaxed hair and natural hair in general. To moisturize my hair, I'm going to be using the Cantu Curl Activating Cream. I used to use this on my natural hair as well. Loved it. It was a staple. And to seal, I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Essential 7 Treatment Oil. You can get both of these products at Pennywise. They're not too bad. They're not cheap, but they're not too bad. The Cantu, I think, is about $65 and the oil is about $40. So I exercised this morning, so my hair's a little damp, but we're gonna work with it. All right, so I guess I can talk about the reasons why I decided to relax my hair. And the number one reason was honestly just frustration. I was frustrated with my natural hair. I was experiencing a lot of breakage, and I don't think that my hair was flourishing the way that I would have liked it to, or at the rate that I like. I was natural for about 5.5 to 6 years, and I think I got my hair to grow past my shoulders to maybe mid-back length once, just once, and after that it was always constant setbacks. There was just always something happening that made me have to cut my hair, and I never got to really see my length. And I enjoy having straight hair occasionally, and every time, like every single time I put heat to my natural hair, it got damaged. My hair was so prone to heat damage, and I couldn't enjoy any straight style without getting some sort of damage. And that to me was very limiting, and it also made me a bit kind of annoyed and down because I did enjoy straightening my hair from time to time. So that was it. And then coming down to these last few months there in lockdown, I was not like doing anything with my hair. I was extremely bored. I wasn't, doing what I usually do. I wasn't following any specific routine. I was just doing the same thing over and over again. 80% of the time my hair was in a bun on top of my head. I wasn't doing anything special. When I did decide to do like a wash and go or a style where my hair was done, I would wear it out for like one day, and then anytime after that I wanted to wear it down or keep it out, it will be very dry and knotty and extremely tangled, and I was not enjoying it. I constantly had this dry patch puff ball on top of my head, and I was not enjoying it. I really was not enjoying it. So, I think I would describe myself as a very proactive person, and I was thinking of ways to spice it up. I don't like feeling frustrated. I don't like feeling limited. And I was just over it. Honestly, I was over it. And I was thinking of ways of what I could do, of what I can do to change that, to get a new look, to do something different with my hair. And I stumbled across a lot of relaxed videos again, and I was like, what would happen? Like, what would really happen if I relaxed my hair again? What would that be like? What would be the outcome of that? How would things be different for me? Then I started to dive a little deeper into the relaxed hair side of YouTube, and I was really impressed. I honest to God was really impressed. As you can see, my hair is not completely dead straight on this side. I still have a bit of texture in the front. I don't know why, it just happened. Anyway, so I was really impressed. Like, the girls, their hair was flourishing. They had waist length, like most of them have waist length hair. And I was just like, wow, I want that for myself, you know? I want to be flourishing as well. I want to have hair down my back like a mermaid. And like, I'm like, wow, you know, look, they are still relaxed. They never went natural. They never joined the natural hair movement. And the hair is doing great. The hair is doing great. And while I was reflecting about the time when I was relaxed for most of my childhood, from about 8 years old to about 17, 16, 17, when I decided to go natural. So most of my childhood, teenagehood, I was relaxed. And during that time, I never had short hair unless I wanted to have short hair. My hair always grew. I always had hair down my back. My relaxed hair was always long, healthy, debatable because I was a teenager. I didn't really know what I was really doing. I was just kind of like doing what I saw my aunts and my mom do. But I still was able to have long, relaxed hair, and I don't remember having much issues while my hair was relaxed. I guess like I struggled a bit taking care of it because I didn't know certain things, but I didn't really have much issues. So then I reached out to some of my friends and I told them that, you know, I'm thinking about relaxing my hair, and the response I got was actually very positive. Like, I didn't think that they would be so, I guess, supportive in a way, because I mean, people will still tell you to make the best decision for you at the end of the day, but I would describe it as supportive. You know, they were like, yeah, you know, it's up to you, it's your decision, and do what's best for you, do what you think you need at the moment. And a week after having those conversations, I went and I relaxed my hair, and I'm proud to say that I do not regret the decision at all. I am glad I did it, and I am enjoying my hair so far. Now, I would like to talk a bit about the, how do I say? I guess debate between natural hair and relaxed hair, because I feel as though, you know, most naturals kind of still look down on people. I'm using my camera as a guide to part my hair. Right, most naturals still look down on people who decided to relax their hair. Most. I'm saying most because it does not apply to all. And I would really like to know why. Why is that the case? While I was speaking to some of my friends about this, the basic consensus after those conversations was it's just hair. You are not defined by your hair. You are not controlled by your hair. It's hair and it grows back. And at the end of the day, you need to do what makes you happy. And if that is having relaxed hair, then by all means, do that. And also, I feel as though now we have so much more information on hair, and everybody is so much more educated to still having this view that you can't have healthy relaxed hair, because there are people out here proving that wrong, like completely. They're growing their hair is healthy, and some of the times it's healthier than the people who actually have natural hair, which is crazy. I don't want this video to end up being too long, so I'm just gonna close it off here. I just did 2 twists in the fronts, as you guys saw, and I also just did my edges with this edge effects, edge control. You can also get this at Pennywise. All the products I use in this video you can get at Pennywise, so it's accessible. And let me know what you guys think. Are you team natural? Are you team relaxed? Are you team do what's best for you? Because I would really love to hear what you think and what you have to say about this topic. So leave a comment, give me a nice thumbs up, and I thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please check out my last video. It will be up in the cards somewhere when I link it, and I'll see you guys next time.